At Inspector Cameras, we believe in providing value to your business with our sewer and drain inspection cameras and locators. Our inspection cameras have a lightweight and compact design, making them easy to store, transport, and clean. With features like the long-lasting battery and intuitive control panel, using these inspection cameras will be the easiest part of your day. All you have to do is turn it on and go. Built with state-of-the-art manufacturing procedures, our rigorous testing ensures you receive the highest level of excellence with your purchase. The difference between our company and others is truly in the support. Our excellent customer service team and factory-trained service technicians are available to answer any questions and ensure that your equipment gets the best maintenance and repairs when needed. Grow your business today and experience 5-star customer support by purchasing our sewer and drain inspection cameras and equipment from InspectorCameras.com.